Good morning, children. Today is 13th Feb and thought of the week is to be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Children, we are in the last part of chapter 11 statistics and we are doing today miscellaneous exercise 2. See, children, question number 2 of page number 119 you will take out of your textbook. Take out your textbook fast and take out page number 119 and there we will see this miscellaneous exercise 2 question number 2. Now we will read the question first. Pranali was practicing for a 100-meter running race. She ran 100-meter distance 20 times. The time required in seconds for each attempt was as follows. Now this is the time and we have to note down this information in the form of the table. Now the time is given over here. Find the mean of the times taken for running. This all times are given and the time is given in seconds. So let's see. We will fill this information given in the question in the form of table. Now first column will be time in seconds, that is xi. Then tally marks. The third column will be frequency fi and the last column is the product of frequency and the time in seconds, that is xi. Now here which is the smallest number it is given? 14. So start with 14 and end with the greater number. Which is the greatest number here? 18. So 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. In this way we will note down. Then for tally marks we have to count the number 14. How many times 14 comes in this list? So let's count here 1, then 2. So 14 comes 2 times. So tally marks will be 2 and frequency is 2. Okay. And now 15. How many times 15 comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So 8 times 15 is coming. So draw the tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4 and this diagonal will be 5. Then 6, 7 and 8. So frequency is 8. And now come towards 16. How many times 16 comes? 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. 5 times 16 is there in the list. So draw tally marks, 5 marks. This will be 4 and this diagonal will be 5. So 5 frequency. Now 17. How many times 17 comes? 1, 2, then 3, then 4. 4 times 17 is coming. So 4 tally marks and frequency is 4. Now 18. 18 is only one time. So write 1 tally mark and frequency is 1. So now you have to count the total frequency, that is capital N, and it is equal to 20. Now in the last column frequency is multiplied with the time in seconds. So 1 by 1, 2 into 14 is 28. 8 into 15 is 120. Then 5 into 16 is 80. 4 into 17 is 68. 1 into 18 is 18 and here sum of fi into xi will be 314. If you do the addition of all these frequencies multiplied by xi, that will be 314. Now children, we have filled this information in the form of table. Now what we have to do? Find the mean. So let's find the mean. So write down the solution. Mean x bar. What is the formula for mean x bar? Sum of fi into xi upon n. What is sum of fi into xi? In the table we have seen the total is 314 and capital N, that is total frequency, is 20. If you divide this you will get the answer 15.7 and now this is the time we are finding. So the time is given in seconds. So what is the mean? Mean is equal to 15.7 second. So second question of miscellaneous exercise 2, which was based on chapter 11, that will be over. Now in the same miscellaneous exercise, question number 8 is also based on chapter 11. Now let's see the question. The following table shows the number of male and female workers under employment guarantee scheme in villages A, B, C and D. So see, the information is given in the form of table. Name of the villages, that is A, B, C and D. in that village number of females and number of males are given here, and we have to show the information first by subdivided bar diagram, and also the same information we have to fill in a percentage bar diagram. So let's see one by one. First of all, we will fill this information in subdivided bar diagram. To draw a subdivided bar graph, what we have to do? We have to do the total of villages A, total of male and female, then B, in village B also we have to write the total, in village C also we have to write the total, and in D village also we have to do the total. Now see the solution, the information of subdivided bar diagram. So see the total number of females and number of males in A village. We have to do the addition of these two numbers. So 150 plus 225, it is 375. Now total B village will be what? 240 plus 160 is 400, and in village C 90 plus 210 will become 300, and in village D 140 plus 110 will become 250. So as you have found the total, this total information of male and female in village A, we have to fill this information in a graph. Let's see the graph. Now in that graph, what we have to do? First you will draw x-axis, and then you draw y-axis, then origin. On x-axis what you will show? Villages. Number of name of villages you will write down in this way, and name of the villages will be this A, this B, this C, and this D. Leave one box from the origin vertical line, okay, from the y-axis. And now leave one box and write down A, then again leave one box, write down B. In this way, leaving one box from each other, you will write down the name of the villages. Now come towards the y-axis. On y-axis what you will take? Number of male and female workers on y-axis, and on y-axis which scale we have to take? 1 centimeter is equal to 50 people. So after 0 what will be there? The first marking, that is the first dark line, will be 50. Then next box will be 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, in this way up to 600. Now the total of A village is, let's see, what is the total of A village? It is 375. So we will fill that information and draw the horizontal line up to 375. This is 350 and this is 400. So in between there is a marking of 375. So draw it. And now in this bar we have to fill the information of female. So how many females are there in village A? 150. So here we have shown the plain box for males and the shaded box for female. So female information we will first fill here in the bar. Now how many females were there? They are 150. So draw the line